Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa. Welcome to 409 Ballad Avenue in Greece. It's an awesome split-level property with a new kitchen and a resort-style backyard. So let's take a tour. This is updated open living with a great room featuring a spacious living area with a wall of windows and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a new kitchen with beautiful cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. And a dining area with deck access. The first floor also features an expansive family room with an adjacent office or bedroom, a powder room, and laundry. While the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master and a full bathroom. This property features a resort-style backyard with an expansive deck and a saltwater pool. Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 409 Ballad Avenue in Greece. Cheers to living here!